What's up, guys? It is Thursday, February 15th, 10:56 a.m. And this is a crypto market update. We're going to cover where Bitcoin's at right now and then go into the altcoins in general. And we're going to kind of move through this quick so I can get this out to you in time because I believe a move is right here imminently on the horizon. It does seem to me that Bitcoin is going to have a correction back down to at least 50K, which is going to be the top of that concrete ceiling. So like with those 2024 price prediction videos, we have bursted through the concrete ceiling, the macro 786, and we haven't retested it yet. So at least in the very, very short term, we're going to come back down to 50K. But where we're at right now is so critical because this could very well much be the top. And if we come down to 50K and we just smash down through it, now our last line in the sand is the 46.5K because that's the bottom of the concrete ceiling. If we break through there, things will get ugly fast. So I want to get this out to you guys right now, making you guys cautious and aware of where we're at in the micro, because the micro can lead to greater collapse in the macro. So where we're at right now, as far as the micro is, we're right on top of that purple moving average. We had said, hey, if we break through this level, this is our next target. And we're there right now. We're trying to hold it as support. So that 51.5K level is going to be our critical, 51.5K support in the short term for Bitcoin. If you want to see immediate upside, I'm going to be taking a short if we break that level of 51.5K, because then we can target 50K. And that's just such a small move. But in the grand scheme of things, if this were to smash down through that concrete ceiling, like it's going to move fast. So catching it high rather than catching it lower is the name of the game. So that's what I'm going to be watching as far as Bitcoin goes. And looking at the 1-day chart, we are still heading up at the momentum. We do have a 1-day sell warning. If we go to the 12-hour chart, let's see if that momentum's starting to curl. So see the stock RSI is starting to curl down. If we cross down through that 80 line, it's likely we're going to see that 50K retest. Let's see the TSI is starting to curl a little bit. So we're staring at a key moment, because if Bitcoin starts to roll over here, that could spell some downside for the altcoins as well too. But there have been some altcoins that have been outperforming. Meanwhile, Bitcoin being kind of like flat here, or a little bit shaky, like VeChain going up like 25% the past 24 hours here. And then let's take a look at some other ones. Casper starting to move, Gala starting to move. So like it is opportunity in the market while Bitcoin is a little shaky, but being aware of where Bitcoin's at in the macro and the micro, and how the micro leads to what happens in the macro is very important. So Bitcoin, I think, is going to come down, retest that 50K level. If we smash down below it, then we're going to drop another 10% or 8% to 46.5K. And to me, that's what we're going to want to hold. That's going to be the line in the sand, because when you smash up above the concrete ceiling, you don't want to go back down below it. So that's what I'm watching as far as Bitcoin goes. Then looking at the altcoin market cap in general. So we're right at our previous tops here, right at the previous top that we had set in January. Looking at the momentum here, we are headed up on the daily chart, which is good. Yeah, this is all good on the altcoin chart. Yeah, we actually did poke above, made a little new high right there. We are getting some cross up, stock RSI, the pinks above the blue, TSI is crossing up. So this is all good and well. But really what Bitcoin does here is going to decide if altcoins are going to come down, retest some levels first, and then go, or if Bitcoin can remain steady above that 51.5K level and kind of just bounce around between 51.5K, 53K, maybe go up to 55K, then altcoins will continue to, put on a show. But until then, cautiously optimistic. You don't want to be on the wrong side of this. So if you're a Stargate VIP in the Discord, I'll be letting you know what I'm doing in the premium chat. In Greece City. I will let you guys know as far as what I'm doing for this market and how I'm going to be playing it for the Stargate VIPs. And if you're not a VIP, then join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Friend request me, Rob at Stargate. Ask how you can get it, and I'll get you involved into it. But so interesting times where we're at in the market. 52K for Bitcoin, altcoins right at their previous all-time high, right at their previous highs for this run up. And really, if we can smash up above there, we'll have some nice moves in the altcoins. But in the meantime, while Bitcoin's kind of teetering, deciding what it wants to do, there will be some anomalies, some outliers. Like VeChain was an anomaly. So let's take a look at some potential anomalies today. So Theta flashed an anomaly an hour ago. Gala flashed an anomaly a half hour ago. BNB 2 hours ago. Ethereum 30 minutes ago. Casper 30 minutes ago. Let's see. So then let's go to the 1 hour chart. So Casper an hour ago on the 1 hour chart. BNB 2 hours ago on the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at the 20-minute chart. So Jasby an hour ago, ICP an hour ago, Quant an hour ago, Ethereum an hour ago, Casper right now. So Casper seems to be picking up some steam. ADA, BNB 2 hours ago. And then let's see the right side, Theta an hour and 20 minutes ago. So I might be looking, what stood out to me the most, Casper 100%, because it's flashing one now, as well as flashing on multiple time frames. So I might be looking to play Casper for a little anomaly trade today. So I'll be in Greece City dishing out some anomalies today, and got a lot of good comments as far as covering Stronghold yesterday. If you want me to continue to cover Stronghold and do analysis on it on a day-to-day basis, you guys let me know in the comments if you want me to do that, and I'll definitely do that. Stronghold, that coin's been on a tear. Let's actually look at it real quick. So Stronghold right now at 0.0114. We broke above that 2618 level and we came back down. We really want to maintain above the hot zone. You do not want to break back down below the hot zone, because if we do at 0.0095, then we're likely going to come down to the bottom of the hot zone, which is 0.005. And that level is actually so key because that was our breakout point, the 786 here from our previous highs. We broke out above that level and then we had this big run up. So if we break back into the hot zone, then we're likely going to come down to the bottom of the hot zone, and that'll be the key level to hold. But that's like a 50% correction. So from where we're at now to the bottom of the hot zone is 50%. So you're definitely going to want to be throwing up the Stargate signals on your charts if you're a Stargate VIP and have access, and waiting to see if this 12-hour confirmation sell signal flashes in 7 hours and 54 minutes. If this can continue to have that yellow sell now, then it might be a good time to take some, money off and maybe put it into, XLM or Velo and do a pair-to-pair hopscotch play. But right now it does look like it's holding up so far, but you got to be careful because we are at that trend line support. We do have a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day sell warning. We are back down below the 2618 extension, and we're very close to the top of the hot zone, as well as we do have a 12-hour sell right now, but it hasn't confirmed yet. It will by tonight's candle close. So you're a Stargate VIP, put this on your charts and watch this like a hawk. But yeah, I'll cover more Stronghold if that's what you guys want me to do. Leave a comment. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and in the Discord link is in the bio for that. We're at a key moment as far as the micro in the market, which will spell out how the macro pans out. So I'll be keeping you guys updated in real time in the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next video.